Hello, friend. Thank you for making it to this page. You are welcome. You are about to experience an uncommon turnaround in your financial status. Oh yes, this is a trading experience that is going to change your life for better. Okay, so just click on the button below to have full access to what we have for you today. All right, it is just going to be a life changing opportunity. Imagine you making $1,000 in a daily basis. What would that do for you? What is that going to do for you? It's going to go a long way in your financial enhancement, and this is one of the opportunities that you don't want to miss. Okay, I will be at the back office waiting for you. Over there, I will teach you, I will give you more details of how this trading robot works. Yes, this is a trading robot and it does not incur any loss. I said again, it has no room for losses. All what you see is blues. So if you want to experience, if you want to have access to know more about this trading robot, then you are welcome. Click on the ball, click on the link below, and you are going to access the full information about this trading robot. See you there, and thank you.